Hello, all my besties, and welcome to another one of my videos. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make 200 Sudoku puzzles in 5 minutes. Yes, I said 5 minutes. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Regina. I shoot DIY project videos. I teach individuals on how to become self-publishers on Amazon KDP, as well as teach you how to build passive income. If you're interested in any of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button today, not tomorrow, because you do not want to miss out on any of that. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, I am going to show you how to make 200 Sudoku puzzles in 5 minutes. And I know you're probably saying, Regina, what am I going to do with 200 Sudoku puzzles? That's an easy answer. I have an easy answer for that question. Okay. Number one, you can turn those 200 Sudoku puzzles into a book and publish them right on Amazon KDP. Or you can turn them into a PDF file and sell them in your store as a digital product, which is instantly can be sent to anyone email when they purchase it. Okay. So this is a two-in-one. Publish on Amazon KDP, make it into a digital product. All together, passive income. You see how all that come together? And if you're not sure on how to publish on Amazon KDP, make sure you go down into that description bar and become a part of Side Hustle Entrepreneurs. Baby, we over there becoming publisher. So make sure you join the community if you're interested in publishing on Amazon KDP and you just don't know how. Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen because I know you saying, Regina, you said 5 minutes. This has been like 20 minutes and you still not for real, you still talking. Okay, so the first thing that I do, you're gonna need BookBoat. Okay, so BookBoat is really good if you're looking to publish low content books, whether it's a digital product or if it's a product that you might want to turn into a book and sell on Amazon KDP. Okay, so the Sudoku book that I'm showing you guys how to make today, I will be turning it into a book and publishing it on Amazon KDP. And if you're a part of the community, you will get step-by-step videos on how I do this. Okay, if you're not, description bar and you will get it all. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I thought about making this Sudoku book is I headed over here to research and I came down here to cloud. Okay, so then I changed from notebook to, I think I said activity book, and I turned my range down to about $20 because a Sudoku book is not going to be $100. And then I just typed in Sudoku in the keywords, which is optional, but that's what I'm looking for. And then I hit search. Okay. And so I want to see if they ranking. Okay. So we have one right here that it's probably this one right here is probably being sold because of the because of the title. But we have one right here, 2025, 1000 Sudoku puzzle, medium to hard. Okay, this is an author. That's the author name. They're independently published. That means that they are self-published. They have about 910 stars, or they have 910 what you call it, reviews. Okay, so they have 4.5 stars. This book was made in April 2024, April the 24th, 2023. They selling this book at $12.88. It have a best-selling ranking, which is BSR of 6,147, which is good. Any book under 80,000 with a best BSR rating is making money. They sell about, on the average, 437 a month. And they best selling average every 30 days in the past 30 days have actually been 5,476, but they estimated moving average sales. This is how much they on the average. Amazon KDP usually take a few months and then they, calculate it because some months you might have a good month, some month it's a little bit lower, the next month is high, and they average it up. But this person is actually averaging 449 of these books every single month. So it is money to be made when you make a Sudoku book. Now this one is 1000. So if you want to start in that range, I'm just teaching you how to do 200. You can do 2, 4, 6, 8, how many you want to do. But I'm doing 200 today. This person right here got a little catchy with the cover, and they self-published also. They only have 21 reviews. They selling this one right now at $594. They have a best-selling ranking at 13,113, and they average about 367 books sold per month. So it is a market for Sudoku books. You can do them in kids or adults, but today he go one for kids. Today I am going to target more the senior large print type book because I was recently on a cruise and I seen a lot of the seniors doing these Sudoku puzzles, and that light bulb came off in my head. So let me head over to how to create these Sudoku puzzles. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head back over here to research, and you want to hit create. Okay. And then you want to go to Book Boat Studio. Okay. And if you already been using BookBoat, the last project that you did is going to pop up. And like, as you can see, I did a Sudoku puzzle for kids. That was my last project. I actually did like a little bonus in another book. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over here to new projects. And what I am going to do, I'm going to create me a project. I do not do a cover and the interior in BookBoat. I just do the interior because of the fact I like to create my covers inside of Canva. Okay, and so this one right here is going to be a senior Sudoku book, meaning that I want it to be large print. So it's going to be 8.5 by 11, and it's going to be black and white. And I am doing 200 pages. Okay. So I put 260 pages because you need 200 pages for the puzzle. And then you have to have solutions to these puzzles also. So I usually do about 4 solutions per page. So that means if I have 200 puzzles, that means I need 50 solution pages. That way they can have 4 solutions on each page, and I always just add in a couple of extra pages. Okay, so make sure you calculate to make sure that you have enough pages for the puzzles and the solution. So I am going to go ahead and hit create. And what's happening over here on this sidebar, it's just creating the 200 blank pages. Okay, so once it has created the 200 blank pages, you want to head over here to this little maze. It looked like a little maze. You want to click on that. Okay, and that's where you're going to see all things that have to do with journal templates, different puzzles, and you're going to come down and find the puzzles that you want to make, which is the Sudoku. Okay, and as you can see, they have tons of other ones, and no worries, I will put the link to BookBoat in the description bar if you do not have it, so that you can get it today. They do have a 3-day free trial plan. Okay, so I'm going to click on Sudoku. Okay, so these are all my pages. So I am going to select, I just need to select the pages that's going to be for the puzzles first. So I'm going to hit from page 1 to 200 and hit OK. So now it done selected all 200 pages that's going to actually have the puzzle on it. So I'm going to finish letting it do its magic. I'm going to finish letting it generate before I hit continue to options. The good thing about Sudoku puzzle is the difference between Sudoku puzzles and word search puzzles. Word search puzzles, you have to upload a CSV file. With the Sudoku puzzles, you do not have to do that. Okay. So it's finishing up. Okay, now it has actually finished uploading all 260 pages. 200 is for my puzzles. 50 pages is for the solutions. And then I just threw in an extra 10 in case I messed up the count, which is, I don't think I messed up the count this time. So now I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so this is where you want to put in your information. Like for me, for this Sudoku puzzle book, even though I'm doing 200, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to probably do 246 a 600 Sudoku puzzle book for seniors. And I'm gonna have like very easy. Oh, I'm gonna do 800. Very easy, medium, and hard. Okay, so that's how you can get your book to be up to 1,000. So I'm gonna do mine around 800. I'm gonna do them in sections. Okay, so they got my border size. I'm gonna have very easy and you can always change it right here if you want easy, normal, hard. It has the sections, and so like I can do 2, 4, 6, 800. So I can easily make a book that's 800 Sudoku puzzles. You can increase the number if you want to go to 1,000, but I'm gonna do 800. So I'm doing very easy, auto, as few as possible. I don't know what that means, but okay. I'm gonna leave that alone. Okay, so puzzle per page. I'm gonna have one puzzle per page. You can actually put more puzzles. You can put two or three puzzles on one page, but because, like I said, I'm targeting seniors and large print, I am gonna put one puzzle on page. I'm gonna make sure it's in the medium, in the middle. I mean, I'm gonna leave the line width as 1 pixels. I always make sure that my color is all the way. I just like black. I just make sure that it's all the way turned down to black. Okay. Getting in that little black border. I leave that alone. I like to leave mine in bold, so it'll be like a dark color. After all puzzles, I want my solutions to be after all of my puzzles. And right here, and you don't have to leave all your solutions after your puzzles. This is just my setup. It tends to keep your, the way that you like to use it. You can put it next page after each puzzle, manually select the solution page. It's up to you. I just do them after all the puzzles. Okay. And then I do four solutions per page. You can actually change that to a 4, 5, 6, 8, how many you want on the page, all the way up to 12. I usually do 4 per page. Like I said, you can get the count. I'm gonna try 8. No, I already did the numbers, so I'm not. I was gonna say 8, but I'm gonna leave it at 4. Solutions in the middle, I leave all of that alone. I leave that alone. Also, you don't have to do that. I do not do no title. All my title and stuff like that, the title for my books and all that, I use ChatGPT for that. And like I said, I do use Canva to create my cover that I'm going to use for Amazon KDP. So now I'm going to hit continue. You can hit preview if you want to right there, and it'll kind of show you a preview of your book. And that's going to show you what the puzzle is going to look like and what the solutions is going to look like. Okay. So you can get a preview right quick. So I'm going to go ahead and exit that out. I usually only look at the preview if I'm doing a word search. Then I'm going to go ahead and continue to solution. And it's going to give me, that's where everything is going to be. Bim, and that's my extra 10 pages that I just threw in there just to show y'all. And then I'm gonna hit submit. And you're gonna get this little wizard, and guess what? It's gonna create all 200 of those Sudoku puzzles. And there you have it right there. Now, what you can do next is you can easily download it. Now, what I usually do is I go ahead and hit download. And I download it to into a PDF file, and then I also upload it into Canva, and I, put a little bit of magic, especially if it's going on to Amazon KDP. I'm going to go ahead and, just checking my pages. So I am going to go ahead and download it, and then I'm gonna drop it in the Canva, and then I'm gonna fix it all up, all nice and pretty, so that it could be turned into a book for Amazon KDP. So I hope you guys seen just how easy it is to make 200 Sudoku puzzles right in BookBoat. Keep in mind, you can do these books. Like I said, I'm going to do sets of 200. If you want to do 1,000 easy, guess what? You can tell BookBoat to make you 1,000 easy solutions, 1,000 easy Sudoku puzzles all at one time. It might take a couple of minutes for it all to upload and then download, but you will get your puzzle just that quick. I hope you guys learned how to make 200 Sudoku puzzles in 5 minutes. I think we did that in less than 5 minutes. I know I was talking, but doing the work was less than 5 minutes. But again, if you want to learn how to turn these puzzles into a book to publish on Amazon KDP, make sure you head down to the description bar and become a part of Side Hustle Entrepreneurs. Literally, individuals that come into this community, they become self-publishers in 30 days or less. So I hope you guys enjoy another one of my videos, and I definitely will see y'all on the next one. Bye, everyone.